All right, I think we did pretty good for our first time putting it out. When we take it to the beach, we'll fill those with sand. But it's gonna work out great, I think. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys how to break it down. So it's pretty simple, really. I've got a half hitch here, so I just pull it. And then these are usually loose once I do that, right? So I'll just pop those off and bam, take this out. And then we'll set that there for now, right? We're gonna do the same thing here. I don't tie it too tight because you wanna be able to get it undone, right? So you just gotta kind of grab it. And I think I can just pull it off. There we go. And then this one's done. So we'll set it in here, right there. Bam, done. All right, we're doing pretty good, right? All right, so these just come apart really easy. And you just want to get them right like that. Very simple. It's much quicker taking it apart, I gotta tell you. All right, so there's our poles for our door that we had. Okay, so hang on to those. We'll set them over here. I'm just gonna put them right back in the bag that they were in, and that'll keep you guys from, mixing them up with the other poles. Just like that. Want to get those. Yep. One more. Oh, there it is. So I gotta look and see where they were. Because I don't want to leave them in here and then one guy's cut them. So there's 3, I gotta find one more. This I did not anticipate. All right, so I'm just gonna move this. See if I can see it. Oh my God. Oh, there it is. Oh, thank God I found it. Okay. All right, this here we need to roll up. So we need to get both of them. So let's go ahead and get that off of there. All right. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find this, and then we can roll them up. We'll bring them over here. Oh, shoot. Forgot about this. Let's grab this. Let's grab this one. And let's grab, if you pull them out, you can end up with dirt on them. If you go lefty-loosey, you can get them out easier. All right? Put them over here for a second. One more. Yeah, it's still gonna get dirt on them. Okay, we gotta clean those off. All right, what I'm gonna do next is just pop these off, and that'll make it easier to, somebody's having a pool party. So they come off pretty easy, see that? It's probably gonna fall over here in a second. But these kind of keep it stable, That one didn't want to come off there. There we go. All right, let's get these. Same thing. Okay. See how it's just falling now? It's gonna come right off. There we go. Okay, one more. There we go. Okay, and this one here, we just gotta, let's undo it here. And then we'll just pop these off. Okay, I can do it with my thumb, look. So much easier. One more somewhere. Okay, that's it. All right, so these are our 2 center lines, right? We just gotta break those down. So that's what we're gonna do next. Quickly do it. Just like that. They're already getting hot. It's only been a couple minutes. Okay, that's one. Two. All right, so those are our 2 things. And we're just going to put them right in here so we don't lose them. And I'm going to put these in there too, but I separated them so you guys don't get mixed up. And bam, Bob's your uncle. That is done. That's ready to be put away. So we're going to get all 4 of these together. All 4 of these together. And then I'm just going to go around in a circle. Just like that. Bam, there we go. And then so it doesn't get too tangled, I'm going to pull it through like this, keeping these all on one side. And that's that. And then we can just put it right in there, put it away. These here we got to clean. Might squirt them with the hose. Okay, now I just got to roll this up. Back it up. And first I want to get it all laid out. So it's nice and square. You know what I mean? Like that. So then I'm going to take all this stuff. We're going to get all of our steaks. We're going to put them back in our little bag. Just like that. And then this is going to go right here. And then I just got to get these steaks cleaned. And they're just going to get dirty again, so I'm just going to put them in like that. All right, that's ready to go, right? Remember our tie thing. And we're set it in here like that. And then we just got to get it smushed all together. Nice and tight. Get all the air out. Yeah. Then get our line here. Tie it on there. And then we can stick it in our bag. I'm hoping. I'm hoping that this is small enough to get in there. There we go. Because you guys may forget how to do it, right? Let's push that in there. Okay. All right. Here we go. I do believe that we're done. Ta-da! Bam, done. So yeah, we got it finished. All right.